Hi, new harvest lightweight Mazzafati of 2022 will be ready by the first days of August. The first harvest of Mazafati includes lighter days for 6.5 to 7 kg packets. The weight depends on the palm garden location. First harvest Mazafati is very popular in southern region of India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and East Asia countries. 2022 harvest condition is not much different from 2021 and it can be fruitful. From the next week, the phenomenon of Khorma Pazoon to pick the days in the hottest temperature of the harvest season will start in the south of Iran at a temperature of more than 42 degrees. At the temperature, all the red days are ripe and are near to reaching the black color, which is a sign of fully grown dates. Infinitas is preparing for the first day's harvest. Enjoy report and videos of the new season by our representative in BAM Gardens.